Hello students, today we will discuss how to create a one variable data table. We do it with the data tab. In this you are having what if analysis. We are going to try it. Okay. What is the use of creating a one variable data table? You are having the data here, like your sales in 2016 is this, and your growth rate is 2.75, and your projected sales in 2017 is this. Now we want to know what will be the growth rate at 1%, what will be the growth rate at 2%, at 3%, 4, 5, 6. Okay, for all these things you don't have to calculate your formula for 10 times or 20 times. You just use what if analysis to find out the values in the growth rate of different percentages. What we have to do is we just have to enter, it is B5. You press enter. Now we are going to write down the percentages different percentages. We just select them and drag the table. Okay, now you select this data table, you go to what if analysis. When you press it, you will have the drop down. You click on the data table. Now it is asking for the row input cell, the column input cell. We are working in columns, so we will give the value in column text box, that it will be this one, B3. Now when you press OK, look, you are having all the values. You are having at 1% different value, 1.24% you are having different value. So these are the values which is calculated by the Excel sheet instantly. You can see that at 2.75 you are working in the same value, that is 899062, 899062. So it is a way how to check that you are working right or wrong. So it is a very good method, the perfect method to find out the values at different percentages. In the same way, we create two variable data table. What we do is, just let me create one more row, this one. We are using the formula here, they are the sales of 2018, and we are using the formula here, B5 plus B5 into B3. Okay, now if you want to create its value, it's B4, press enter. You know this value is at rate 2.75%. If you want to find out the value at 1 or 1.25% or 4%, you just do the same thing. You select your data table, go on what if analysis and go to data table. Okay, the row input value is again 2.75%. It's B3. You press OK and your all the values will be here. So this is a way going through the one variable data table and two variable data tables. You can also check at 2.75 the same values occurring, that is 923786. Thank you.